Hello everybody, how are you? I'm great and I am so happy to be back. I know I've been MIA and I am so sorry about that. But first things first, I have a haul and I want to get this up because my May monthly kit is in here somewhere. I don't remember. I haven't opened these. I was waiting on an order to get here. Things happened with the shop owner and a member of her family passed away and she needed some time. So instead of hauling it in bits, I figured I'd just wait and do the whole thing. So as many of you know, I went home to North Carolina and just the build up to that and then coming back and recovering from that has been crazy. But let's go ahead and jump into this haul. I have 5 different shops for you guys today. All of these were bought, I think it was in the March monthly Pander Madness, because I had a no spend in April, so yes. So first up we have this yellow envelope, and this is from HurricaneRandi. She did contact me and say, hey, you only ordered 1 mini kit. Do you want me to send it in the big packaging? And I was like, heck no. Go ahead and just do excuse me, sorry, there's a receipt in here. I was not expecting the envelope. That's fine. What's this? Yeah, I don't see the discount code, so I don't know which one it was, but I ordered these in March, so I'm gonna guess it was MPM. So this mini kit was $8.20 including shipping after discount. And let me fix my camera here because we got a little wonky. So zoom in a little. It came in a plastic cellophane bag and this yellow envelope. I have no idea what the ticket was for, but it came with this cute die cut of the unicorn ears and horn and then the eyelashes. I don't know how I feel about the eyelashes. I might just cut those off, but it's really, really cute. So I like it. And she's giving me this nice little collection of die cuts here from my orders that I've been doing with her. So I ordered her mini kit for the 4th of July. So here are the full boxes, and the quote says home of the free because of the brave. Here are the other full boxes and some icons with some fashion girls, half boxes and flags, and date covers, weekend banner, habit trackers, bill dues, and some little quarter label type things. So this is the kit I will be using right around 4th of July. I don't know if it's going to be the week of 4th of July or maybe the week prior. Probably the week prior, because it's one of those odd weeks where the 1st falls on Sunday. So it might be that week, but we will see. I'm not 100% sure. Alright, and then we will do this package. Let me make sure there's no receipt in here. This is from SweetRTDesigns, and she is right here in Washington where I am. So she packaged it really, really cute with this little ribbon. Okay, I ordered, I think, 1 kit from her, or maybe some like individual sheets. Whoops. Okay, so that was in a cellophane bag. And then what's in here? In a little mini cellophane bag. This is so cute. I love the little baggies. So we have a reward card to collect 5 trees and get $5 off. And then she sent this beautiful little rose gold teardrop paper clip, which, if you are familiar with the Pacific Northwest, it rains here a lot. And then, so there's her business card, so I need to keep that. And then here was her standard freebie. This is all on matte paper. So we have the standard freebie here with some makeup, a girl sunning herself, so just, you know, functional stuff. And then Mondays suck, an iced latte, that kind of stuff. And there's our little tree for the the business card. So we just collect that little guy, put him there. 4 more orders for $5 off. So then we have this deluxe freebie with all her little dino or dragons and lots of functional things, really intricately cut. These are like teeny tiny little underwear. and they're cut individually from the bra, and then you have a Raskog. And then this looks like a mini sidebar or like a daily box. No, there's a habit tracker there. And then, yes, this is like a little mini sidebar box. It has some get it done stuff, a habit tracker. I paid the bills, I did the errands planned next week, an extra habit tracker, and then drinking all your water. That's really cool. Alright, so I ordered this sheet, which is a Seattle, Washington sheet. So if you're coming to the Seattle area, you might want to grab this from her because you have Mount Rainier and you have Pike Place Market, the Seattle skyline, one of the car washes. These are, they're everywhere. We have the Carousel and Seattle, Washington. So, yeah, I figured I could use this like when we go to the waterfront or to one of the gardens or something. Then I just got some Lazy Day couches, some nail polish bottles. I thought these were going to be smaller because I've been getting my nails done, but they're not, so whatevs. I did order the optional sidebar for this kit, and it's really cool because it has like a get it done lists, habit trackers, what's for dinner, and then drink up. So that's really neat. I think this is a sticker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she made it to where it's cut so you don't have to try and peel the backing off. So that's really neat. And I think this is just like a couple cents more. And I don't remember what the kit was called, but it has all these beautiful sea creatures on a watercolor background, and they're all watercolored. So we have a narwhal, some orcas, it looks like a sperm whale, a blue whale. No, that's a sperm whale there. Probably a blue whale. I'm not sure what all of them are, but they're all whales. They're all the fishy mammals. Fishy mammals? That doesn't make sense. They're sea life mammals. And then there are the checklists, very simple, headers and half boxes, bottom washi, glitter. Is this glitter washi or headers? There's 4 of each color, so you could accent with those. Then you have some functional deco. Then we have our functional sheet with your weekend banner checklists, habit trackers. So this happened, shop. Date covers, more habit trackers. Wait, was that? Yeah, I guess those are 2 different kinds of habit trackers. 2 appointment labels, some quarter boxes, a movie marquee, and then some more functional deco. So that was everything from SweetRTDesigns, and it's very beautifully, I mean, it's a beautiful smooth matte paper, so that's really, really nice, and I like the paper clip. It's really dainty, so it's really cute. Alright, we'll get into this pink one next with this big thank you on it, and this is from Rhode Island. I don't know what shop. Let's see. But do I have anything in here? Okay. Okay, this is from, I think, something fairy. I'll know more when I get into this. I haven't looked at this in forever. acoffeefairyplans is what it is. Okay, so she sent a couple of die cuts. So we have a very large coffee cup and a little princess kitty cat. So those are really cute and really nice quality die cuts. So more die cuts to add to the collection. And then this deluxe sampler. Sprinkle kindness around like confetti. So we have some full boxes, some checklists, and some other things. And then this is the kit I ordered. I think it was called Aloha Beautiful, but I'm not sure. Again, this is matte paper. Cuts are good. So here are your full boxes and scallop labels. Ombre heart checklist and more scallop labels. Oh boy, I got a sticker on it. Oh my goodness. It's like from when she was cutting. It just got a little bit of sticker on there. And then here are your headers, little things, functional deco icons, and then some circles. And yes, that is crooked. It is not an optical illusion. here is all of your individual washi strips, bottom washi, and then some mini checklists, sidebars, checklists, flags, all kinds of functional stuff. And then we have the weekend banner, hydrate stickers, habit trackers, teardrops, more half boxes. And then here are your date covers and glitter headers. The print quality is good. It is a teeny bit pixelated, but nothing terrible. So, see if I can get up here. I don't know if that was the artwork that she used or if it's just her printer. I normally don't say much about a shop. The paper quality is nice. It's a nice matte. Cuts are good. No complaints other than the fact that some of the sheets are crooked and they're not all the same size. But honestly, that doesn't matter. So next up, I want to show you the front of this because it's so cute. So there's a little Happy Meals arrived and then a Hello Gorgeous and some cute washi. That was going in the trash. Okay, this one has a receipt in it. Give me just 1 second. Let me get this out of here. Okay, this shop is called To Be Fab. It used to be called DekDesigns. I have shopped with them back when they were going by DekDesigns. Now included in this was this cute little peach palm clip, or I guess it's like a skin tone color, and it was just hot glued on, but that is so cute. I don't have one of these like little felted woolly balls, so like peach palm. So that's really neat to have. And then let's get in here. Alright, so here is the freebie sheet. So we've got a little box that has some faux washi and various other things. I wish these were stickers. I might have to cut those out and make them stickers because that little gem in the bow is just adorable. So there's that. And then it came with this little doily here. Here is the giant freebie. Oh, it was the planner extravaganza sale. Okay, so this forms a little tab. Just a lot of cute little functional stickers. I like these little checklists here. The little shelf is adorable. It's really cute. These little dividers are cute. And then here is my May kit from them. Date covers, full boxes. Here's more full boxes and deco. It's so funny that there's like macarons in this kit right here because I had my first macarons with my little sister in North Carolina. Then I ordered some of her bow clips, and these are cut straight to the actual image. There's no white outside, which is really neat. And then I got this, I think this was fresh squeezed or something like that. And her matte paper is very nice now. Cuts are good. So this is Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. And there's 7 full boxes, a weekly box, and then some washi strips. 7 leaf checklists, and then bill due, sidebars, and then canceled reschedules. Bottom washi, date covers, date dots. Half boxes, checklists, some more functional stuff, some deco, and then headers, little things, hydrates, and icons. So that's everything I got from To Be Fab, or previously known as DekDesigns. And last but certainly not least is SaraElizabethPrints, and she is so kind, guys. I love her shop. She runs fabulous sales too. I always love a good sale. You guys know me, I gotta be frugal. Then again, I haven't bought anything since this sale, so she sent a very cute little thank you card, and it's a little mermaid themed card, which is stinking adorable. I kind of want to cut it apart and use it as a journaling card in my personal planner, so that might be a thing. And then here is the freebie. It's all unicorn themed. so adorable. Then I ordered these colorful glasses. Both of my kids wear glasses. I wear glasses, so it makes sense, right? And then I got some day off stickers, some work labels for hubby's works, and then I got a mermaid kit. It was too cute to pass up, and I did get this on her high quality mat. So there are the full boxes. It's like pastel heaven. Here are the checklists, half boxes, habit trackers, bill dues, quarter labels, headers and little things, bottom washi date covers, and a weekly box, checklist, icons, some functional stuff, and then glitter headers and individual washi strips, and then functional deco, weekend banner, and the actual deco. I mean, look at that. It's so stinking cute. So cute. So, like I said, I really enjoy her shop. I enjoy her cuts. I enjoy her paper. I really enjoy it. So, there you go. So, it's everything that I got this time around, and it's definitely been a while since I ordered, right, guys? I haven't ordered anything in so long. It's crazy. Just crazy, I tell you. But I am now shopping with a purpose, so that is my goal, to shop with a purpose. So I'm specifically buying kits that I need instead of just buying what I like, which I've noticed a lot of people are like that now in the planner community. We don't just go on binge buying sprees and then not know where we're going to use something. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.